Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a video, so I thought I'd do one now. So what I'm doing is showing you how to do crypto mining. It's kind of like a big thing at the moment, and there's no graphics card available at the moment because people are buying them out and doing mining. So I thought I'd get into it as well. So what I've done is I've got a 1650 Super in my build that I've done recently. So this video is more of a perspective of an amateur. So I only just started doing this yesterday, and I thought I'd give it a go, see how it works, and if it's profitable, then I'll use a more advanced graphics card, something a bit more powerful, but it's quite hard to get hold of at the moment. So once I do, I'll probably go into it. But at the moment, I thought I'd just try it out with my kind of weaker graphics card and get to grips with how it works. So this is the application working at the moment. That's how it's working, and this is Nicehash, which is what I'm using at the moment. You can see it is profitable by only 81p per day, which is not that great, but it fluctuates. It goes up to £1.20 or something like that sometimes, but at this current time at the moment it's 81p. Obviously Bitcoin and things like that goes up and down, and there's other variances, etc. At the moment I've got 78p in my wallet at the moment, so that's been just one day at the moment with a really weak graphics card. This is after electricity, etc., so this is profit, so it takes into account electricity, and I'll show you how much it cost me. This is just recent activities of getting paid out, and then what I need to do is transfer it over to my my other crypto wallet, or I can withdraw it as cash. But at the moment I'm just letting it grow for a time being. So let's have a look. So if I go to manage rigs, you can see I'm mining with one device, and at the moment it's gone down now 71 pence. And here is my rig, so let me just have it open, see what it looks like. So at the moment my temp is 59 degrees on my graphics card, which is pretty low because I kind of turned it down a bit, so I don't want to burn it out. That's what most people do, and at the moment the hash rate is 10.73, which is pretty decent. Let's go to history and stats. So projected income based on set.71 now. You can see it fluctuates, so sometimes it might be, if it's at £1 then it'd be a lot higher, but this is just an average at the moment, which is quite on the low end. So I think this is the lowest I've seen it. This is like the worst case scenario for me at the moment. So weekly income would be £5, monthly is £21, and yearly would be 250 at this rate. But if it goes up to 120, I've seen it go up to about £400, which is not bad with a really cheap graphics card. And like I said, I'm gonna buy a more expensive graphics card later. One thing that I did have to do is I had to go into MSI Afterburner, which is like a overclocking system to get the most efficiency out of your graphics card. So you want to obviously use less electricity and still get more performance out of it. So I have to still play around with it and understand how it works, and how to get the most efficiency out of it. So I'm just going to play around with it later on and find that sweet spot. So what I've done is I've raised the core clock speed plus 200, memory clock plus 150, fan speed at 59 at the moment. Temperature is, you can see the graph here, it's at 59, steady 59. I put maximum for it to go to 65, and at the moment with the settings it's not reached that, so I might boost it up a little bit more before it starts crashing. Power limit I put it down by 30%. Let's have a look at the fan curve. So that's what it is. I think I left it as custom, and I changed, sorry, it was default and I changed it, so now it's gone to custom. But at the moment this is fine, it's not overheating or anything. As you can see, it's only 59 degrees, which is nothing. Most of these cards when I'm gaming it goes up to like 70, which is pretty still decent, because some other graphics cards got to like 80, 90, but this graphics card is pretty new, so it's in good shape at the moment. So yeah, I thought I'd quickly give you a quick run through of how it all works, and I'll probably give an update later on how I'm doing, and if I get a graphics card and see my profitability, etc. So as you can see now it's jumped to £1, £7.10 a week, 30 a monthly, 370. So once I get that more powerful graphics card, hopefully that rises by 5 times, so I'm looking to get about 1,500 a year. But that means leaving your computer on for 24/7 basically for the whole year. But one thing I did forget to show you was my settings, and that is going to be this is the web version and this is the application version. So if I go here, my electricity bill is per kilowatt per hour is 16.5 pence, which is not that bad. So like I said, the profitability is after electricity bills, etc. And this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's changed again, 112, and it's projected now 4.7. So it goes up and down. Hopefully Bitcoin currency value goes up. So at the moment it's 35. It was 40,000 at one point. It was a lot higher. So it's sitting around 35 at the moment. Obviously, if it goes lower, then the profit will be a lot lower. If it goes higher, then you get more. And then Nicehash takes a percentage, and they kind of have their own like algorithms and stuff like that, how they work it out. There's like little graphs here that you can have a look at, but I don't understand all that stuff at the moment. I'm still learning, so hopefully once I get a bit more understanding, I can make this a lot more efficient and hopefully get a bit more profit. And once I understand that, my next graphics card will be a lot more efficient at mining. So that's it, guys. I'm going to catch you guys up later. Peace.